In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add users to a SharePoint site. In order to do that, first head over to Microsoft 365 and locate SharePoint under their products right here. So the SharePoint is typically an actual app for organizations or teams and not recommended for personal use. So for this, proceed to click on the sign in option. So here is my apps right there. So for this, just click on the SharePoint in order to access it. So as you can see right here, I have this article for adding users to a site. So if you're a SharePoint site owner, you can give other people access to the site by adding them as owners, members, or visitors. To do that, click onto the settings on your site permissions right there. Click onto this share site. And in here, you can just choose and enter the name of the person that will be added. You can add them as site owner, member, or visitor. With this, they have different permissions like read, edit, and for full control. You can also add a message for the email notification when sharing the site, or uncheck send email to skip it. So here it is right here. You can actually enter it here an actual message for them if you want to share this site to other users. After that, click onto this ad in order to add those users to your site. In this, you can add members to the group as well, or you can also share the site only. Into this, just head over and read this particular article for that. We also have other information for sharing the site and additional group resources according into this part. You can add users depending on to the permissions by adding them to the group or sharing the site only. Just proceed to add a member by typing their name and they should be added. So that's all there is today. And if you have any questions, please comment them down below on the comment section. So much for watching.